Did you know that a simple onion, a handful of nuts, or a glass of lemon water can help clean your arteries, lower blood sugar, and protect your heart? Without any medicines? Today, we're going to discover 14 foods that can truly change your life. And at the end, I'll share a secret onion recipe that many doctors are calling the natural elixir for the heart. Every day, millions of people around the world suffer from heart problems, high cholesterol, diabetes, and poor blood circulation. But what few realize is that nature has given us incredible power, foods that not only nourish the body, but also heal it. In this video, we'll explore 14 superfoods that cleanse the arteries, help reduce blood sugar, and improve heart health. And then I'll share a simple onion recipe you can prepare in less than 10 minutes. We all have someone in our family who has struggled with heart or blood sugar issues. Maybe it's your father, your mother, or maybe even you. And often the answer we get is the same. It's age, it's hereditary. But the truth is, many chronic illnesses are not inevitable. They are directly linked to how we eat. Instead of endless medicines, let's see what we can do with our plate. Because that's where it all begins. 14 Powerful Foods. 1. Kale. One of the most powerful vegetables on earth. Helps the body flush out bad cholesterol and reduces inflammation, protects arteries, and helps control blood sugar. 2. Avocado, loaded with healthy fats and potassium. Lowers bad cholesterol and improves insulin sensitivity. A fruit every senior should have on their table. 3. Strawberries. Sweet but low in sugar. Packed with antioxidants. Reduce inflammation and support pancreas function. 4. Walnuts. Just a handful a day can improve circulation, lower blood pressure, and protect the brain from aging. 5. Sweet potatoes. Complex carbs, fiber, and a compound called diosgenin. Help blood flow and glucose control. 6. Garlic, a natural miracle. Opens blood vessels, lowers blood pressure, and helps the body use insulin better. 7. Apples with skin. Full of pectin and quercetin. Protect the heart, aid digestion, and lower blood sugar. 8. Broccoli protects arteries from inflammation and helps cleanse toxins. One of the most powerful veggies. 9. Whole orange, with pulp. Not just juice, contains hesperidin, which improves circulation and lowers blood pressure. 10. Oats beta-glucan cleans cholesterol and supports the pancreas. Wonderful for diabetics. 11th. Almonds, magnesium, vitamin E, and good fats. Strengthen the heart and help control appetite. 12th. Black grapes, resveratrol, and antioxidants for brain and heart health. Improve circulation and memory. 13. Black beans. Simple, affordable, and super healthy. Lower post-meal glucose and boost energy. 14. Lemon reduces inflammation, helps iron absorption, and lowers the glycemic index of foods. The onion recipe. And now, for what many are calling a life elixir. A recipe with just 5 ingredients, but its effects are amazing. You'll need 1 red onion, thinly sliced 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon extra virgin olive oil, a pinch of black pepper, optional, 1 teaspoon organic apple cider vinegar. How to prepare? Heat the olive oil in a pan over low heat. Add the onion and let it soften for 3 to 4 minutes. Add turmeric, black pepper, and apple cider vinegar, if using. Mix well. Turn off the heat and let it rest for 2 minutes. Serve as a side dish on whole grain bread or over brown rice. Why does it work? Onion contains quercetin, which reduces inflammation. Turmeric, curcumin, is the most powerful natural anti-inflammatory. Olive oil improves circulation and protects arteries. Black pepper boosts curcumin absorption by 2,000%. Apple cider vinegar aids digestion and stabilizes blood sugar after meals. Just 3 times a week is enough to notice a real difference. We all share one deep wish. Not just to live long, but to live well. To wake up in the morning without pain. To walk without stopping every few steps. To remember the names of our grandchildren to enjoy every bite without fear of the next test result. Because life isn't just counted in years. It's life felt in every day, every breath, every moment with those we love. Here's the truth often left unsaid. There's no need to wait until the body sounds its last alarm. It's never too late to change. Health isn't just about prescriptions, pharmacies, or machines. Health starts where self-love begins, in the small daily acts of care. The foods we talked about today aren't tricks. They aren't magic recipes. They are gifts from nature. Simple, real, that have always been there. At the market, in Grandma's garden, in the memories of a purer childhood. Maybe all we need is not a big change, just a small, steady decision to choose better today than yesterday. Don't wait for the day the doctor says, you'll need to start medicines. Or worse, if only we had found this sooner. Start today, not tomorrow, today, with an apple, a handful of nuts, a glass of lemon water, a simple onion recipe that warms the body and soothes the soul. Because every great journey starts with one small step, and sometimes that step is just one wiser bite. If this video touched your heart or reminded you of someone you want to help, please share your story below. A habit that changed your life, or simply a feeling that filled your heart. It's the best way to connect and support each other on this journey toward better health. And if you want to learn more about how to care for yourself every day, don't forget to subscribe for new videos that keep you strong, healthy, and whole. You deserve to live a life that feels good every single day.